I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on derivatives. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and posting excellent remarks. Here is a question from one of our students who wants to understand derivative of the two functions given here. Now this is an excellent example since it will give you insight to working with derivatives when product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule are all applied together. Right? So let's see. You need to find the rate of change of the function at the given value of t. A. S of t equals to t to the power of 1 over 3 times 4t minus 5 to the power of 2 over 3, where t equals to 8. The second one is S of t equals to t minus pi divided by t minus 6 pi to the power of 1 over 3, where t equals to 2 pi. Well, here we'll apply the product rule. So if the function is given to you in the form u times v, in that case the derivative of the function is what? Derivative of u times v plus u times derivative of v. So that is what the product rule is, and we are going to apply it to find the derivative of the function. And then we'll also apply the chain rule. Okay. Now you should also remember S of t normally is the displacement, and the rate of change of displacement is also equal to velocity. So at times in application question we could refer to velocity function. So the derivative is derivative of the first function. So let me rewrite like this: d dt of t1 by 3 times the second function, which is 4t minus 5 to the power of 2 over 3, plus first function, which is t to the power of 1 over 3 times d dt of the second function, which is 4t minus 5 to the power of 2 over 3, correct? So the derivative here is 1 over 3 t to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1, which is minus 2 over 3, times 4t minus 5 to the power of 2 over 3, plus we have t to the power of 1 over 3. Now our derivative will be 2 over 3 times 4t minus 5 to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1, that gives me minus 1 over 3, times derivative of inside function, right, which is 4. So we'll multiply this by 4. So this 4 is derivative of inside function. That is where we have applied the chain rule. Now once you get this equation, some of you can actually place the value of 8 and get the answer. But most of the time when we ask the question, we'll try to see the simplified form. So we like you to write simplified form. So in test, it could be something like this. Right, and then you substitute into simplified form to get the answer. This is very key, right? Important. Now, from here, what can you take common? We can take 1 over 3 common, right? So that is one thing. As far as t power is concerned, minus 2 over 3 is common. And as far as 4t minus 5 is concerned, this is lower, minus 1 over 3. So take them all common. Now what is left here? That plus this, which gives you 4t minus 5. And what is left in the second part? We took t to the power of minus t over 3. So when you add this up, you get t to the power of 1. So you get t here. 4 times 2, 8. So we get 8t in this part. Clear? So that is what is there. Now, we do get a function which is, now this all can be written as what? All this is negative power, so they come in the denominator. Here, let me write here itself. These are on the numerator side. 4 plus 8 is 12, so we get 12t minus 5 in the numerator, and the denominator is 3 times t to the power of 2 over 3, and all this, which is 4t minus 5 to the power of 1 over 3. Is that clear to you? Correct? So that is a simplified version which we are looking for. Now in case that is not mentioned, you could substitute 8, but this is kind of critical calculation to be shown. Now let us substitute t equals to 8, right? Now we'll substitute t equals to 8, and find the answer. So we can write here s dash 8, right? Or sometimes also we say velocity at 8, all right? T equals to 8. Substitute 8. So we get 12 times 8 minus 5 over t, 8 to the power of 2 over 3. And here we have 4 times 8 minus 5 to the power of 1 over 3. So that is what? You can use calculator also. So 8 times 2, 16, and 1, 96, minus 5, the denominator. 8 cube root is 2, and 2 square is 4. So you get 12 here. And here it is 8 times 4, 32, minus 5, 27. And cube root of 27 is 3. Right. So we get 91 over 36. Right. So 91 over 36 is your answer for the given question. Is that clear to you, right? Now let's take up the next one on a fresh page. I hope the steps are clear. Perfect. Now here is part B of our question. We need to find the rate of change of the function at the given value of t. The function is s of t equals to t minus pi over t minus 6 pi to the power of 1 over 3, where t equals to 2 pi. So we'll apply the power rule first with the chain rule. So we get the derivative of this function equals to 1 over 3 times t minus pi over t minus 6 pi to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1, that gives you minus 2 over 3, correct? Times derivative of inside function, right? So d dt of t minus pi divided by t minus 6 pi. Clear? Now, what is the derivative of inside function? We need to apply the quotient rule. So let's do that. So we get 1 over 3 t minus pi over t minus 6 pi to the power of minus 2 over 3 times. So quotient rule means square of the denominator, which is t minus 6 pi whole square. Derivative of the first function, which is 1. So 1 time the second function, which is t minus 6 pi, minus derivative of the second function, which is 1 times t minus pi. So that gives you 1 over 3. We have all this. We can write this as, we can flip also and write, okay. So let's flip and write. These can be simplified also, okay. So okay, we'll see it later. First let's write like this only, t minus pi over t minus 6 pi to the power of minus 2 over 3 times. Here we get t minus t is 0, minus 6 pi minus minus becomes plus, so we get minus 5 pi, okay, divided by t minus 6 pi whole square, right. So let's try to simplify this before substituting the value 2 pi. So what we have here is minus 5 pi by 3, right. Now we have in the denominator t minus 6 pi, right. So we have 2, and that is to the power of minus, right. So they get actually added up in the denominator. So we get 2 plus, so we get t minus 6 pi to the power of, let's do it on the side, 2 plus minus 2 over 3, correct? So we get 6 minus 2, which is 4 over 3. Is that clear? So when you take away, you get 4 over 3. So the power here will be 4 over 3. 2 minus, because minus 2 over 3, right? So when you do that, 2 minus, so 6 minus 2 is 4, you get 4 over 3. The other power here is t minus pi. It can be written in the denominator as 2 over 3. Is that clear to you? And numerator is 1. So that is what we wanted to do. Now let us substitute t equals to 2 pi. That means we want to find rate of change at 2 pi. So that gives you minus 5 pi over 3, and here we have 1 over 2 pi minus 6 pi to the power of 4 over 3 times 1 over 2 pi minus pi to the power of 2 over 3. Well, that is minus 5 pi by 3. Now 2 pi minus 6 pi is minus 4 pi. So we have 1 over minus 4 pi to the power of 4 over 3. So 4 over 3 is 1 over 3 plus 1, correct? So you could write this as this times 1 over 3, right, to the power of 4 over 3. See, 4 over 3 is kind of 3 plus 1 over 3, correct? So 1 whole and then 1 cube root, right? So minus 4 pi to the power of 1 over 3. So that is how you could write this portion, correct? This is pi. So let's write this as 1 over pi to the power of 2 over 3. Is that clear to you? So we get here minus 5 pi over 3, 1 over minus 4 pi, and this minus 4 pi is, we could take minus outside. We could take this minus outside also, but for the time being we'll rewrite this as such itself, and we have pi to the power of 2 over 3. Okay, we just rewrote this. Let's write down the powers of pi first. So as far as pi is concerned, we have power of pi as 1 minus 1, that gets cancelled, correct? And here we have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which is 1, correct? So we get, and this minus, this is also minus. One of these minus, they get cancelled. So we get 5 over 3 pi, correct? And we have 4 outside times 1 over 4 after cancelling this minus times 1 over minus 4 cube root. Correct? So that's what we get here. Now we could write this as 5 over 12 pi to cube root of minus 4. Right? Now cube root of minus will be a negative quantity. So you could write this as negative of 5 over 12 pi cube root of 4. Correct? So that could be written as cube root of 4. Now 2 cube root is, 8 cube root is 8, right? So 8 cube root is 8. So we could actually simplify this and write as minus 5 over 12 pi, see like this, 2 over 8 cube root. So this 4 has been written as 2 over 8, right? So this kind of is a tricky part here. Now we get this as minus 5 cube root of 2 over cube root of 8 is 2, so we get 24 pi. Is that clear to you? So that is kind of a critical step, reducing from here to there, which I'd like you to pay attention to, right? So what we really did was, actually I wanted to do it here also, we actually split this 4 over 3 as 1 whole and 1 over 3, right? So 1 whole and 1 over 3. And then this portion of minus 4 cube root, we wrote this as 2 over 8. 2 over 8 is same thing, right? 1 over 4. 8 cube root is 2. So we could write like this and get our answer. So that is how you actually derive the answer which is given in the book. So I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.